Hi guys, this is what happened now here in Kuwait, March 28, 2020. Hindi ko alam guys kung ulan ba o lalakas ang kidlat. Thunders now is coming guys. Too much noisy. Ito na yan guys. Bumabagsak na ho yung ulan. Ayun, it's raining, it's coming. Woohoo! It's raining day. Oh, wow, kidlat. Oh Lord. Iba sila dito magkidlat guys. Napakalakas yung thunder nila. At saka lightning. Ito yung nangyari now. Grabe guys, ang lakas ng ulan. Ito yun guys. Lumabas ako guys kasi akala ko ano nagkalampags dito sa rock stop. Yung pala super lakas ng thunder and lightning. Parang bomba siya kalakas. Ayun. Umulan bigla. Ayun guys. Woohoo! Hello bird! Bye! Oh. Ay! What is that? Ayan, bigla lang nawala siya. Naglalakbay sa kabila yata ang ulan. Ayan guys. Ayan. Ito yung Kuwait guys. Lalabas ako, nawala yung ulan. Ayan guys. Medyo maliwanag na konti. Kanina biglang lumakas, biglang huminto guys. Ganito dito guys.